who your problem, Mathias. Now, Ishi don't know what the holy for you. You rejected only for you. Yeah, very later. Ishi nowhere go with the problem. Nowhere go kaija agwagi. They decided not to bring anything that you are against. Now your members' hospital. They brought what you need. Now you are still asking what stopped them from bringing the same thing in nationality against. Oh, Onyemunu this careful puputeranya jomwa. Careful puputeranya quinsa. If put an nationality against only for you. It against pure water. It against CNN. Then the people that are coming to visit you, it's nowhere go with your own thing. They avoided what you rejected though to make peace reign. They did not bring their olive oil because he said you don't like it. They did not bring their water. Now you are complaining why they didn't bring it. Hey! Go them matuti ha. Go that jomote ha. Oh, when you actually for your problem ya. Here go kugrani who IG olive oil. More olive oil, olive oil. Then you say you are allergic to olive oil. They were coming. They decided not to bring what you are allergic to. Okay, let them keep their olive oil to themselves. Let them bring what you like. They brought the money. Now you are still asking for the olive oil. Hey! Let's continue.
Brother, he brought money to the hospital. He did not come with any miracle water or oil to heal our brother. You see?
This madness now, this rubbish crusade here now. Here when you have to miracle healing, miracle only for you. Ashi honye na eriki, onye na aso nsogeji ya soro ya. Onye na aso nsogeji ya soro ya. Mathias, so are you thirsty for the olive oil and the miracle money now? Oh, sorry, and the miracle anointing water. What do you want? Mathias, what do you want? Hey! The same person Sarafiki problem. Sarafiki water, Sarafiki oil. They distance themselves from giving you the thing on a boogie, on a begi shabakage. Now you are still asking why didn't they bring it? You said, oh, we're going to hospital to get a bomb. It's now become a problem. Unahuna this guy wa musu. Inahuna ndeni na follow this guy with this guy Ishi wuriti. Ihe choziri na chozi ya. Guys, they are reporting this video. Click love and like. They are reporting it. Click love and like. Na share. Ya grangi share ya ma weta you no na their Omenala group share it there. Guys no na their WhatsApp share. Come that small wisdom. Because they are following onye them more daft than them. How can onye and common sense? Go you not me here. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, my sister, I think I'm living from Dubai.
Yeah, and there will.
Because Mathias, how imana onya na we kwen so bata na Igbo.
Hey! Na
Onya we kwen so bata na Igbo. Mathias, how na people Mathias from India. Mathias, here Mathias na to face corner na India.
Of course, about somebody put a queer not through face. Oh, I'm coming. Mathias, don't worry, I'm coming with facts.
We go, you put a water on Nigeria. You understand? So people now have materials of money fully, and ima gonna our people, about project put maybe anything over people follow away. But I got many people, I'm my friends in the police here. Only on the phone, I don't know.
I don't know. Hate.
This man was a very wicked woman being. I want Bobby to feel on our church. He was going to go because he's in a beer now. Because he's in a beer now. So, young Nicky Bar, Aguzayon, Jilly help the boy. I want my glass of name.
No, yeah, my brother. No. Ashikam Okwogi, my brother. Listen. Come Okwogi. Get buteregi problem. Cut that tongue. Come here, get a dobataragi sobu. Cut all that tongue. That's what Bible said. We cannot deviate from the facts. And be I have Omenelu. I have Omenelu. Come here, put this boy. You got this accusation problem again. You caught to entirely. Period. Go mere me the little one o mere me we help putegara ya nkocha. And then my obuwe buru ogaranya kan kocha na you understand that terms. So make una know the switch talk. I enemy hate people and ha direct. Call no olugbo. She no olugbo na elulu. No ukwu ose she no na afofo. Simple.
Yeah. Yes. Ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo stop of Mathias ihe ọ na-eme Mathias ga-ekrete enemy n'ala Igbo to ala Igbo Mathias sokọ Boko Haram bata n'ala Igbo ndị Igbo na-ama
only hate that this boy may preach
ndị Igbo stop this nonsense ọ na-eme ha watch ihe mbara ha na ha watch ya very soon na the problem this man ga-create this man they create n'ala Igbo.
All too much. There is no peace.
How could I stop with this thing? And one more, this man, all your better man. And when he a man of war,
never. I said only that only the only thing he get me tell the best one up Omenala. That what are rubbish. Oh, you get me tell yeah them. Even on your Omenala, oh God.
I think the later you wear now, but all you use that guy.
Yes.
Zion call
Akola yoru na ya ga use account. Umunne the boy she use account na Mathias ga read the money. My brother, thank you.
Welcome. The speaker was no. When you make
Moa. Babala, awala no mochie. Na just me when ha game. Awala mochie na lande mo. Anya bali share na lande mo. All right, my brother. Because na share my group ni no everywhere na share ya. Thank you. Awala mo kia na lande mo. Owo ma aka ka ha ga na akọ make we dey listen to you.
Water or oil to heal our brother.
You
see, you just want to intimidate me, close my mouth, so that my people will keep on dying you and you keep enjoying with your family. He came with money. Which is what I'm telling you. This is only money that can change your life.
But what did you ask for? The same olive oil torment for years. The same miracle water torment for years. You say you don't want it. That is for you to reset your brain, for you to start reasoning as a human being. This should not be. I don't know why these people cannot reverse your case, what you signed. Oh, we are not quarreling. We are not. I don't know why they will not allow you to go to court. Whether man, I find the guilty, I find the hoodie. You spend money and fly yourself to Abuja. You have 3 or 5 years. The brain is reset it too. I don't know. Abraham Haba, that you can never change. Onya musu oga pushiri amusu overnight. Onya musi can onya musu stop to real amusu overnight. It's not possible. Look at the hate, the heat, the bitterness, the evil. So you finally know that he brought the money you requested. You was busy asking for money. You put money now. You're complaining for the money again. Oh, we went to look at the hate, the evil you are putting in our people's mind. Onye huzie nwanne ya ikwu omenala ya bagog. Gekwo Christianity ya bagog. Look at the hate. Look at the evil hate you're putting in everybody's mind. Ihuna the kind of evil you have created and built it in our people's mind. Ihuna who you are. Ihuna the definition of your true self. You are evil. Despite that Akusayon no obligation to come there and pay any courtesy for any of your stupid member that decided to get shot. Still, that visit to Pelepe, you still did not appreciate it. Because it's host to your useless 3 days of getting mojo crusade. Oya ki je putana ki denti Akusayon. Akusayon mejo kwe. This guy ye ga. In fact, I don't want to say him but you should distance yourself. Bible in a praise so you will not talk again. Do the needful. Stay clear. Let Mathias scatter for this boy. Yes.
Not just pray. He came with money. What am I saying? We have come to destroy the activities of religious idiotic in our society. People you can never engage with. I have been busy since then. That is why I've never made any posts about it.
Okay.
And I was also expecting for the money to be completed 1 million before I can make the post.
Okay.
But what they brought is 200 naira, 20,000, 200 into 5 wrapper.
Okay.
Which is a 1 wrapper of it is 100,000, into 5 is 500,000.
Okay.
When they were saying that the money is not up to 1 million, I told them to snap the money and send to me. They snap it picture and send to me. I saw that it is 200. Maybe because of the bunch of 200 confused them not to know whether it is up to 1 million or
okay.
not.
Okay.
But he has called back, as I said.
Okay.
Nobody called him. He called by himself.
Okay.
I don't know whether it is my member that called him, but they told me that he called.
Okay.
Saying that the money is not up to 1 million, that they should send account.
Okay.
To transfer the 1 million naira.
Okay.
The remaining 500.
Okay.
And also promised to give 2 million naira to that boy.
Mathias, when Zion asks you guys to send accounts, why are you insisting of sending your own accounts? Why are you insisting of sending your own accounts? Why is it that the boy Abare Shimba? No one near na Patakot na Attire since Obera here now you refuse to pay a dime na his hospital bill. That nobody should go to your account. Anama joke Mathias. Why is it that Mbashi send the account to send the account to your scammed projects or your scammed whatever? The boy you know munne abaso shanwa palaanwa that since they've been here you refuse to spend nangen neku no wa Zion ge spend here. The boy she came by she put on one nwoke no na port na Attire ahụ na send the money there. Mba actually send the money don't see na the account with a problem. Zion shock correct it as soon as possible and send it to me so I will complete the money. That was why the money delayed. This guy, social media is the easiest way to destroy people. Social media is the easiest way they will not ask a reasonable question. They will believe anything that comes out of this demon's mouth. They will not ask a valid question. They will not ask an educative question. They will just accept anything that comes out of this Amusu. Omenala that he has brainwashed many people that is it without asking a proper question. He knows this is the only revenue to get these people all destroyed their brain, their reasoning. The same Omenala boy ya na abaregbe. Any beef falling with your Zion, this thing shouldn't be your first priority. Because you know why? You are using this boy detriment. You're using his pen to gain your stupid crusade. You did not think about that boy welfare. You did not think about this is not the right time to execute this your madness. But because of your greedy, selfish interests, you will not reason proper. All is all about you. Your selfish interests, your selfish again. You're not caring about if I make this moves. Get the journey or result. Get the result to this boy. No, you don't think about that one. Now you have brought another problem to this boy. Make sure that this 2 million on this boy Aka Zion, that you make sure you fulfill it with your Ezeaku Omenala. And you know here, any lie we will counter it. That is why we are here. Okay, get out. Shingaje gbanegi kokolo zoom out. Come on to support you. All these brainwashed outs. All these brainwashed out that can't even make a correct sentence when they are commenting. Come on, shouldn't you for so we don't deal with the people who common sense. F off. Eh? So you believe now, because all these statements that you made here, and when any intellectual person or what the fools they believe anything that comes out of a fool like you mouth. Only a tout. Ndi brainwash. No matter how you brainwash me, you make a mama joke questions, or I will keep quiet. Not to offend you, but I will not get away Ejiofor. But because of useless, any means, Eje bring your Labasara Christianity down. Eje bring Akosayon down. Eje Apetoya. What is the essence of this video you made now? What is your gain? Can you gain again this video now you make it? That's my own question. Again, that he put this thing because I will go back and help that boy. Because he make effort to get your crusade 2 days or 3 days crusade there. He want more followers in GR on our program. Make we the listen.
To establish business with him. That is the power of money. Now money is speaking. Now this is what I'm teaching. This is what I'm crying for. Could you imagine after this guy now is being discharged from the hospital? Still they render 2 million naira to him. Automatically he will start something doing.
Mathias, you're preaching money, and we are happy that you wanted the voice to preach about money. Now you provide that money and give it to that boy. Akosayon is not giving no more sheshe. It's over. I will be on his neck. I will call some couples of men. I will call them to reach out to him. He's not gonna pay the money anymore. Now we understand that you're preaching about money. Now provide that money for that boy. It destroy Allah career the boy. Now we left everything in your hand. When I could say that again, make sure that he raises the boy ego. Because 2 million is nothing. 2 million away go late. Oh, who did $2,000 if I'm not mistaken. Now what you're going to do, you provide it for this boy. As you have as this boy in a family the same people share account to get raised. The same people know that you are not even caring about them. With the interest of that boy. You could have go and borrow money from your daddy GO's account. That's what you could have done to save this boy life first. But you abandoned him. Waiting in back. That's Imam Oga come to reality. Imam Oga come. Gana ashi the boy yachere. That he has to wait until Zion until Zion abenye the money. You see your life. You don't even care about his own health. You should have gone and borrow money. Go out of your own course. So get more followers. To allow this boy to get healed first. Then because I'm mega. Wisdom is profitable to direct your footsteps. Mathias in where wisdom. You are hate. You have accumulated your little brain that God give. Hate, bigotry, envy, jealousy. It will a common thing to reason. Your brain is quite unfortunate that you can't reason proper. That hate has taken over the reality that you face. By then you will draw more crowd. But then people will see the genuinity that you have interest at heart of these people in a preacher to join you with your useless Omenala. But there is nothing to write home about. Rather than only hepuga, now you have taken that thing away from him. He won't anything to give out to the world that this is what I have done for this boy. This is how far I have gone. Oga Pota, with your platform. Gishi, please. Let's raise money for this boy until Akosayon Abia, then we will replace the money back. No effort whatsoever. No strength whatsoever you put in this. But you told the boy and the family that they should wait. That Akosayon will come. What about that? How many people how many people and when I came in Akosayon, the same people you stood up and destroy and damage, and the Obiga Wagen because each of it you want to discredit them. Each of you put them on social media. The people who that you keep lamenting it. Nakosayon Chinoga later. Nakosayon you keep lamenting. You be using it as a weapon of destruction. As it is now, that your weapon of destruction will not work again. That's your blackmailing way. It's not going to work again. It's over. Go and raise the money for the boy. Because before I saw the moves you were making. You were brainwashing people. You are brainwashing people. You keep putting it. That was your statement over and over again. Kakosayon feel you're lesser of a man if I don't bring this money. Now this guy getting the kulubo. If I don't bring this money, this guy will ridicule my personal. You was putting it in there. You was using it as a point of reference. You was using it to make sure you get hold to Akusayon. And it works for you. Then, I work for you because of your little brain. You went back again. It's your crusade. Akusayon is a point, it's a target. Look at an idiot in way time, but you have been coming online. Now people you have been coming online. In who brain came back but in our life, in a map video, you want brain to address it. You have a few days to your crusade. Can put a discuss that Mathias actually Mathias, you lack a common brain. I'm full with wisdom. Forget say, do you know why I am where I am today? Oh, I'm a me here. You targeted. Check, I'm going your heater the too much. I'm coming. Guys, just give me a minute. Let me turn the heater off. Guys, because to Sarah Mozia, come follow us here, my own wisdom. He lacks common sense. He lacks way to coordinate. So we pray in an issue. Eh? A day or 2 days your crusade, you wouldn't get it. But you have been doing video telling people to come and buy your property. You won't have time to discuss about Akusayon be completing with the money. Now within 2 days, because same man on we get with useless souls. In the brain here, you use it now. Now in what time you were conducting program. In what time you were telling people where to buy property. You don't have time. But so now you want the time. Now you want the time. Ashima musuge riki. Iwa nifu so. And when this hate in a course on Ndi Igbo. And when this hate in a course on Igbo, you keep causing problem in a course on Igbo. Ashemu adjala na acheluga kubugi. You will bring division. Umugi they will be divided. You know, time hate will enter them, and your family will never be at rest. As you're putting problem in all Igbo land, native family is a problem. Umuga will rise up and face each other, and go and mark my words. It's just a matter of time. Mathias, every seed you sow, you get it. All the evil in you are doing everything to make sure he destroyed every work that this young man put. How many people? Nkato geni ipenekwe on a mesuya. Ya put 1 billion. Gabano ni ado now. Ato nzeribe the richest man unu na elanya no nwere ego na Igbo. How many times go kwere ego? How many times go nyere ya? Una na gakwa ba yo do ugbo. Gabano ni ado ugbo now. Go and try after you put 1 billion here, you put 2 billion here, you did not get. Go and try it. After they all the time. Actually 2 billion on your language, that money you will never read. But on your lato, but Akusayon faithfully, humbly went to you, yet you did not give that money. Church, you know, how many people in the return? Akwana lane go bazaar. Akwana lane go bazaar. Una who the hate this Mathias and a course within us. Una who the hate this monster and a Mathias and a course within us. Somebody's calling me. Hello? 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 Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Oh, Chechimepa.
Odimma, sir. Kekwan.
Odimma, because I can get you na teaching about what I go na name this criminal exposed.
Thank you, my brother.
Oh, when you make this guy exposed, what I got the man with the key in a honey poison.
Yes, yes. OMG, Anna Pulamo Mamona, my brother Anna Pulamo, I push him, I did him 16. I did 16. But Anna Pulamo, come to people look away. This guy is a liar.
I'm telling you. But with this guy, I was even shocked. But before my whole video.
OMG, people share the program, spread the news. Don't watch me. Keep sharing it. People man can wear Ejiofor.
This guy is on a mission.
Very evil. Very evil.
You know, he's in it's your holy void.
Yeah, what problem?
What exactly is
do you want?
Problem? Kini kichoro. Emene lo de hagem ma mena lo de hagem ma. Ele hichoro. This guy, he calls on his or calls on Ala Igbo. He gets Ishi.
Umuya kona putre di. Hani nega aluso nwe hogo. All your children will fight each other. They will fight each other. Oh yeah, no, because of the hate. Ebim na America where everybody religion gonna respect ya no matter what. Everybody na respect to religion. Nobody argue. That is what you call people they were reformed.
In this country, I'm on Amazon. Oge Ramadaru.
Oh, no, let respect ya that one.
I want the Muslims say, I want you to give me fasting. They will give you time for you to go
fast.
My time. You know, everybody's religion, and I respect everybody's religion. What I go? Okay, now this guy about all the intelligent. What about the guy intelligent? Because when you see that the guy intelligent, the guy be behind that now. All the say I can't do.
Mathias, yeah.
Exactly. Here the money. He also got never get here. Gigi Bo.
Yes. Now it's for a tiger, and then when I go up, that deceive go, huh?
Exactly. Then the guy, the wise, did high area that 500,000. But I want to be a foolish person or carry Ezeaku before they made a mess of himself. Because he messed himself up.
Very useless idiot. Very useless idiot.
You're not make a way, but Mathias, you a June.
Amusu.
The guy is not learned.
Amusu. No, he's not learned, and he will never learn.
At all.
Stark illiterate. I'm telling you, what is I am. My brother, couldn't remember Nigeria. Get the meaning of this video. Get the meaning. Get the fake gullible people. But a crusade is coming. Okay, but that kind of one place. Point to get a pointless. Everything you start in that video is pointless. I'm not joking. What is your point?
It's just empty. When the guy talks, you see the bitterness.
Bitterness written all over him. Hate.
He has no joy. He has no happiness. Everything about him is anger, bitterness. Tell me how so the person can go see somebody like me to come and join me.
Nah, mamo. I don't know. Somebody like me, maybe join your rubbish.
No strategy.
Nothing, absolutely. Nothing. No structure. No foundation. No pillar. No nothing.
My sister,
my brother, thank you. Thank you
for bringing your promise.
Thank you. Now, let's continue to listen to Iti and Mathias because all we tiko when we brain in any shit tiko.
He will start something doing. Now, if this is the only solution for man to the, why are we praying?
Why
are we castigating our communities? Why are we telling our people that our ancestors are evil? Why?
Chere, I that this thing that called ancestors and you actually defend. I think that will be my main topic of 2024. Let me tell you, I was brought up now my grandmother and my grandfather. I'm a Omenala. I'm a tradition. I will come and break it down. You guys can only deceive that I'm a left and right. Can you see that anytime I'm Lulu because they thrown with elderly people? I'm on my left and right. My IQ they high. I'm a the atrocities. Don't worry, I got one of my program this 2024. I got my I'm a BMP people anya. The madam protecting me. Hello? Load the volume you're watching me from. Load the volume.
Okay.
Yeah, load the one you're watching me from. Because no load the one you're watching me from.
Okay. Good evening, ma.
Yeah, good evening. Go ahead.
I'm from Lagos.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Why is it that Mathias that hospital that guy, you know? So waiting account number in a comment section and the account number in abro that guy. That is
the thing. Now the boy had your complaint. An account number in the actually I want account number family. That is the same incident that took place in this matter. Account number to read what account number the boy.
That guy would is
typical Uti. And thank my brother, thank you for reminding me. That day, Otori with a go to that boy. Oh, Imano account ya go to the
how many check a comment station that don't want the why not here?
I can't to the boy.
So many people to listen to that guy.
That boy you go direct. Yeah, what I get.
So what account number put here then?
No, what account number the boy? It's a different account number. That's the same thing that happened to now.
Yes. Account number here does no charity foundation cause not getting.
Oh, what that the boy is she? In that bagi ha gbara kosayon. Biko. I want to where account to Mathias. Now this guy ana hear anything. Na ego aga alari. Now when they working on a pot when you na Attire for years. Now because no account you can get provide. Actually, a provider this account you error. It's okay. I could say I suggest okay. Come use and Mathias. Hashem biko kwa nwa pala ya nwa. Iwe Mathias that this money did not go into his account. And the boy catch the boy brought the money get share ike. It was what I'm saying. Now,
yes.
Yeah, I could say I'm okay. We take the money. Can we see ya? The account with a problem. But this account with a problem. That's okay. Go and rectify the problem. Or I will pay into Mathias' account. Now Mathias they read the money. Now Mathias will eat the money. I could say the chewes here. Until when they retrieve the issue but the account, I could say they send the remaining 500,000. Even this Samuel that number one, Mathias, the money did not go to his account. Yes.
Yeah, the money.
Yes. Yes.
But because I was expecting now, I can't do that guy.
Lie.
Saying many people because I'm my good comment section. The man I drop account to that guy.
Very cheap strategy. Authority Jesus. You know, Jesus strategy. Zion strategy. Yareji na cover these gullible ones. Nigeria command, my brother. You can't deceive everybody. We are wise. We are learned. They with a high IQ.
Exactly. For people. For me, I didn't believe that now Mathias is actually deceiving me. So only that one alone. No.
Where the boy you provide the account to you, provide that. Why are you using your charity account? Charity ego. Or ego charity can erase rigi. Why did you provide that foundation money? Or we erase give for? Oh, you can now joking. What stop you from providing this boy's account? Why are you using your money? No, sorry. Why are you using your account? You can only deceive the gullible ones, not wise people like us. I will always be here to defend the truth and nothing but my brother can help. Okay, thank you so much for your contribution. Thank you.
All right, ma. All right. Go.
Thank you for reminding me. That's in about the movie. Also, one of the things into the blast again. This boy, you provided the charity account. Give him an account to family the boy. Give him an account to you refused to put that boy's account. You refuse to put it. Now, I could say your problem. On your share link here, I will block you. I will delete you. This is the first warning. I will delete you. After that, if you comment it again, I will block you. This is not a place you share anything. If you want to share anything, go somewhere else. Go to happy hack your account on them. You guys are full of dubious characters. Let's continue to listen to your stupidity you played this morning.
Our ancestors as evil. Why? Why? Why?
Share the program, click love, oh. You man report share love and click.
Religion will make you not to use your brain.
In Ania.
Some of you going about arrest people in the name of your pastor. Some of you does not have a legit work in Nigeria. Some of you have put yourself in danger that but people like us have just tried to just fashion everything out. Because I know what religion can cause. Religion will put you in a problem that when you find yourself inside that, a problem. You may not come out of it for years. Now your family will start suffering it. Your children will start. What will I gain? Someone like me, you don't have a legit business you are doing. Someone like me that have fans all over the world, and you want to intimidate someone like me. Which if I plan for you when you
Mathias, where were your fans when you was arrested? All of them were all away. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
To my sister.
Good
evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
I blame Marco Zion by he release the Mathias.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. When I get on the same obo. When I get on the same obo.
Or by style. Or time.
Go to spend Diego.
Oh.
Jesus.
Even in some of Yoruba people are hate in Ndi Igbo.
I'm telling you.
This nonsense.
The hate yari over women.
Jeremiah more to say Jeremiah. All the help of many people. When this guy cut off this man.
Yeah, pushing all about Ndi Igbo.
Yeah, we help the mother problem. So Amoromo. I
don't know. I don't know. My brother, you pretense. Oh, the more you look, the less you see.
Now we release this man.
Click love. Oh, yeah, no. Because all get also.
Because really take body.
All get boogie. Bim.
I thought maybe Christian go lose. Then next time I'll put on Marina.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Now, Mathias, you're boasting you have fans all over the world. When you was arrested, how many of your fans in Northern Common Nigeria came to visit you? How many of the connection you tried that you exhausted? To an extent, if they were up on a station, to an extent, you was crying. If you 5 million to somebody, with a connection, it didn't go nowhere until you exhausted all your connections. Mathias, when you exhausted all your connections, back in Bidosrika, you are still boasting. You want the fans. Who are your fans? Fans. You don't have fans. You want the stupid people that following you blindly and cannot do shit and couldn't save you. Who are the fans that could not come for your rescue? Who are the fans that could not give you a lifting shoulder? Nobody were there. That's how you want a fans go no run the police station until Akusayon ga bia wa Akusayon. Even that Akusayon shimba na ye change lobia. Zewusu anario. Onye elu anario. Onye ala gishigi Akusayon he was a personal problem with me. It was don't worry. You will enter okay how powerful your fans are. Iwiti. I got school with problem. Hello, reduce your heat and watch him. Reduce your heat and watch him. Oh God.
Hello?
Reduce all the one you're watching me from.
Okay. Okay, can you hear me?
Reduce the one you're watching me from. No. Please, if you call me, reduce the one you're watching me from. Biko. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, good evening, Auntie.
Ndewo.
Hello, Apa Mobo, Anthony in Nigeria, boy.
Okay.
From Zamfara State.
Okay.
I'm my 3D life now.
Okay.
I want to talk to Mathias.
Go ahead.
Ndị mmadụ kwesịrị ime ekwesịrị ka akpọrọ Mathias je psychiatric hospital ga goro brain ya ma n'ozulezi.
I'm telling you, my brother.
Ekwesịrị ike because ebu ka mmadụ si ekwu okwu ka ihe ji wee ma na onye nwere akọlọ.
Thank you.
Mgbe ji wee ma na onye nwere uche ọfụma mgbe anụ nwa ayọ na-edochie nwa ya nwoke nwụrụ.
Exactly.
Somebody ifu na ọ nọ na pain. Ị na-asị na Jizọs efelu gị.
Okay, yeah, you man on your own now. Open mad 18, 16.
IQ you are very low. Share and click love. Share and click love. They are reporting my video. Share, click love. Share. Continue, my brother.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kainege, I nwere fans man aju mgbe egidere gi mgbe a chọrọ imenya gị na ofu onye ga na-eti na-ebe akwa enwekwara no family ụmụ ajemu ga na-ebe. Where were your fans? Ihe anọ na aranti on social media. None of them were able to take moto gadia or take flight. Even emere ga arrest o mekwa gị big boy n'elu ya gbara gị flight. Flight and then make sure flight. They have to contribute to put you to come back. You see, what's in it? These people you're deceiving are more useless than you. Because I want when you reason you sit down and reason. Even give it a video, people should sit down, put one or two together. Mana that only brain on brain. You don't have any. You lack understanding. You hate you and that hate you pass it into your children. They will grow up to hate because they will look at you. The hate it got other people's children, family. They receive in your household. Mark my words. You will understand him what I get today. The hate it got Ndi Igbo ani. They will fight themselves. You know this problem make us now. Go and market one place. Okay, Ruginaka. Let's continue to listen to your daft brain. Where is this video again? Okay, listen now to how you deceive people. How you use these gullible people. You deceive them in every little space. Every little brain, you deceive them. You keep deceiving them. I pity them because they don't reason. No reasonable person, brain here against will sit down and be listening to you. Makachi. Nobody. Although possible. It takes a wise man to know where you're coming from. It takes a wise, intelligent man to know your aim and where you're coming from.
Our brother that called police for us.
Sure.
Which one of our member was shot? This them. That is why I've never made any post about it. We pray. Why are we castigating our communities? Why are we telling our people that our ancestors are evil? Why? 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 Religion will make you not to use your brain. Some of you going about arrest people in the name of your pastor. Some of you does not have a legit work in Nigeria. Some of you have put yourself in danger that but people like us have just tried to just fash everything out. Because I know what religion can cause. Religion will put you in a problem that when you find yourself inside that the problem, you might not come out of it for years. Now your family will start suffering it. Your children will start. What will I gain?
Mathias, I witnessed the day you was arrested. Then you know Omenala Nongahu is more worse. Their condition is more terrible than anything. Ndo Omenala, Leno this boy Abareba, one of you guys. Family Yahu Bedin. You are saying that the religion tirigi into poverty. You that is having Omenala Ndara. You know how poor. You know how poor and how raggedy you guys are. You know how poor and how you, that's it. Agwu kunu paraunu my brain my thinking my reasoning. You could not revive them. Share her beans complete 1 week. Ka protein bahana ho. Mo ukwa. Gacho big asoto ukwa. Na Anambra State. Imo State. Share ukwa for them to come back to have nutrition in their system. Oh we know na ha need more beans than Omenala na-ebunye ha. They need more beans. Share her beans. Yeah, yeah. Were keza ha ya. Were anu nkita ndem bise. Wore ha jimi siere ha ya. Jiya mere ha meat. They need anu nkita. Anu eji. Anu beans ka ha jidemma. Because they look more hungry than anything. Because akwa mputara kwa na ha yiri dry season. Na ha dika dry your culture. And you're talking and you get with on. Are you not even looking into what you are? What we hear Ndi Sogage on dinners. While you share putana about beans in a church on every Sunday or every gina une share beans. Let them eat and get their nutrition back because they look very haggard and unkept.
Someone like me. You don't have a legit business you are doing. Someone like you that have fans all over the world.
Yep.
And you want to intimidate someone like me.
Matthias, stop deceiving your little uneducated brain. You don't have anybody. You're on your own. If you can't make it, you're on your own. You're on your own. You are so useless that you don't reason. The first thing that happened to you, it would be a brain for you to reason. Where are your fans all over? Kebehano. You want fans? You are a learner. You thought you were fans. You are I don't know why I Kozayo. Well, I'm maybe Kobe. I form another woman just to get Gaburi. I form another woman Gaburi because I Kozayo refused. Oh, the woman in the back. No where can I go? No where. Your coconut brain is beyond even your reasoning. Who are your fans? The same useless people in with brain like you. And they're fans again. When you talk about fans, you talk about people who want a common sense. People who want a legit brain. If you want a legit business, you scammed people 2 years ago. I may put the information. Where are the money people contributed for the business? The business flop pro. You can only refund the capital. Now the profits, the way profiting with it, you die people's money. Crocodile, crocodile, or Kedekana where? Yeah, but I never crocodile. Today, Amaka people, they made that business. They are all professional people. They don't want to get themselves involved in rubbish. But don't worry. Now me, go buputelegi. Agama saga ho. In which legit business. Igran India got twaza. Zugo shin Indias, Igran India, Gabu Denaka. Are you not the one that bothered all Denaka there? G Christian, raise Chego, now how Denaka. You raise the money with the Christian money. Jesus Negego. Eh? Raise Chego there. What Denaka there? Okay, Denaka one towards it, Ganorona Toaza. Nebu wayo, Nebu 419. Ndo to go up, Tapaneto to take go there. If this put to Boku today because you know it's truth. Gapatana Koranino. Unuoshina, what people unuoshi. The men criminal themselves will come out and open mouth and be calling people criminal. Iwonyara. You are not.
Which is why plan for you. When you travel out of Nigeria, we'll catch you over there. Put you in prison. We'll send you.
Akozion is in Nigeria. Plan here for him. Akozion is in Nigeria. He's in his village. Doing big things. Now, but they wake call her Christmas. Go and do your worst. Plan in the worst in here jiggy one. And my people thought he went in Kabase. That day, Potara, Aporoge, she return back to Abuja. I put Amwabene, she give me. You came out, and your piece came with the Conyola, no nowhere. That time, Mugahu, she me Pelimayale again. Don't worry, I got Doyake again. It's just a matter of time. I walk the same you put an imena piece and I should no make peace. Capisi reni, I quiz to walk again. Eman, I share it on your ship. I share first time and I get super again. Eboga plan each canoyanobi. Eman, I get an alo. Egidonyo shina, quiet tintin. I will not do it again. It's my first time. Oh, while on a plan, another mission or gaga. I'm telling you. Eh? Now, God your become a release the first one. And when I go on a personal issue, Mbe IG but I get that the only person get woga no wa Zion. Ge bido bewa kwa ko umaji. Bido shiwa up mini. Bido anya na ebegi. Akpaya? Mathias, this money did not go direct to your account. This after all, you have an account. Keep destroy ya. Keep with this gullible people crusade mena. Iwaji bonyoshi. Iwe ipotaranetor in the boy. What account gonna make any deal? What is your account doing? What was your account doing on back live program? That I want the boy hear me. Mathias, iwaji weekly. In my ipotara deceive people did not know you. People say I'm not okay from day one. I know you too well.
I send you to prison.
Hey, look.
Immediately. You can't stay 15.
That's what I'm saying. Akosayon no there. Akosayon Gwaragi, you can't arrest him. How else do you want him to tell you? Akosayon no village. You're just deceiving indeed, Tikage. You are just ranting. Itik the Kage kine deceive you. I am just name a video. I shape share. So indeed, Tigiga now watch ya. They will watch it, whether I'm gonna watch here now or later. So share when they come across them, they will watch it. That's why I ask you, share it. Tag it to your friends. Share it in a Zion's group. Share it in Omenala group. Share it Bandi Ishi. Share it Bande Nkoro. Anywhere is shareable, share it. Now this guy will tea. That money now, but the Christian they are no longer going to give it to you anymore. They will not give it to you anymore. It's over. You are a cry baby, and we continue to put tears in your eyes. We eat tea.
It's over there. In a second. That's why I called my members in Mozambique. Say, please, all of you should forget everything.
Did I hear? I called all my members. Who is your members in Mozambique? The people that Zion, the people that Akuzayon ne feed. The people that come to borrow Akuzayon money. Is that the member? Imakonye Akuzayon no na Mozambique. Imonya Akuzayon no na Mozambique. Go and ask. Ichore ka members again na go na ma. Ichore ka member all this your iti daft. Ichore ka ndago ade ka dry season in na church again. Tell them to make pem. Kaskuzayon penyo hofu. Akuzayon awu ni nnukwu mmanwu na Nigeria. Owu nnukwu mmanwu na Mozambique. Stop ranting and stop deceiving these fools. Because if you should deceive gonye nka. Everybody Greek ya na amaga. Akwa ya na hospital na. Akwa di idiot na hospital. Lekwa ka di agu na emepe anya. Ishi no wete hom no wete crayfish. In a feed kwa that boy. You will keep deceiving in their way brain in that guy school. Look at all your members. Majority of them are not educated. They are touts. They are, imagine only in a lead. Imagine you to give with him in Puerto Rico. Can you lead an intelligent person? Hell no. Try Yakusayon na Mozambique. Ishi member. Who are your members? Who are the members? People cannot survive in Mozambique. Cannot Akusayon jenye hego. Cannot be Akusayon na ego. You want to each of Igbo people. I'm on a mission again with Igbo people. I know that your mission is to keep destroying daft like you. And they gave me a hospital now. You see the condition you left that young man. You still come and cause problem that due to 2 million now, you'll be the one to fulfill that money. Let's assume, let me repeat this thing, because as your wisdom is profitable to direct your footsteps. Let's assume now that you have something to talk about Basara, this boy, you know, no longer. Now you have not seen 2 million. That thing. Because this boy now. You just scattered it entirely. You just scattered it. Now also get put that button. Because as it is now, like I said, I gotta make a shopping. I gotta undo matter through Akuzayon matter through me. We will pressure Akuzayon never to give you that boy. Family young brain. The same people na share punyane go na account to Mathias. Can I watch Mathias baby maybe your brother destiny and your own destiny. Let me tell you guys have to make a video. If you want that 2 million, you have to render apology to Akon. You that is in the hospital, magena one any family member, I am to show the share on him. You guys have to come publicly that that you guys are not aware. You guys must render a complete video of apology. You are Zion to give you that money. Zion will not give you guys a dime. Let it do not that the G useless O. Only Sogaba Gateway. Eh? Only Sogaba Gateway. I have to get no Zion get what they go. Let me block you. One time for rubbish. I don't know why I couldn't show Gachi follow. Stand in the alley. Come on, get out. Come on, get out of your son. Come on, get out. Shingafo. Thank God that's blocking button. Eh? Now, Ogima get busi buaninya. Unu question assistance na. Agaba go akoza yon block o hen ni basara unu. Block wo ya. Akwe potala bia mefa akoza yon bia pariya ya. What is the essence of your video? Agora ngini nwe wisdom. You lack wisdom. You lack anything that this wisdom. You're going to be with anything to say. Oh, we're not touching 2 million. Not touch everything. Then you can come and criticize or castigate Akozion. But wisdom, you're only fighting for your own selfish interest. Now, he may be this boy here. Now, go and settle the matter. Let's continue to hear your stupidity.
Come before the presence of my lawyers, our police officers, and agree. Let us move all these things out. And come out to start making it.
Why did you agree? You was not agreeing when you was doing it online. Why did you go to police officer in front of your lawyer and the so-called lawyer gamer agree? Why did you have to be? Why must he be in front of your police and your lawyer and you agree? Why on social media and then you get warning? Ghana Marion. Why is it that Tom Beme the Kaki Jema agree? Mathias, he won't know shin. Imam Bridge matter the way he will she would click. Ihe mere na police station ke potara dinaya. Ihe mere na police station ke potara dinaya. How you was begging, pleading. Ga potaba wa Zewusu war because Zewusu man ke we Ejiofor. Zewusu potara me video no because of ihe unede ri na esusuari me na Akozion jikwechiri again. You came at Zewusu war your problem. The boy that sacrificed to make sure that all gari Akozion biko. Because also one of the guys in Equihana no. Your pain you should continue to Akwaga Akozion. Sorry, Akwagi Mathias. You me who with the last homa Akozion meregi. You are evil. You are full of hate. You are full of envy. You are full of malicious nature. You are a very dubious individual. You were Quensu. Eh? So why you realize in a brain get chop peace? Came back again. Leave this matter, mind your business. Ya wuru sie na, we do na police station. In case you don't want to disagree with your lawyer. No, you want every right to say, lawyer, I'm not gonna go with this. I have to continue to preach your useless gospel. Now everybody, go show everybody picture. Do get him a question because you are a liar. You are a pathological liar. You are born to lie. You are born to deceive people. Even with a mission in this world, and despite unfortunate that you were able to maneuver some idiots like you. It's quite unfortunate.
I don't have such mind. I'm a free-minded. And why must I torture people that I'm fighting to free?
Imagine. See, you see the terms he used to deceive all of you. You have been torturing people. People on your book breast cancer. A young lady. Book breast cancer. MG Shigi, you are nothing but the evil. You represent evil, you represent bitterness, you represent hate, you represent anything representable that define evil. That's who you are. A young lady with cancer of the breast, if I'm not mistaken, bear to you. No denounce who Jesus. Hey! No denounce who Jesus that you will never help that young lady. Are we hearing? You swear with your life that you will not help. Denounce for Jesus. But to the same people that believe in that Jesus contributed and supported this your NGO. When you went to India, when Omenala couldn't save you, under who Christians, under who Jesus. we're going to do today. You deny that lady. But let me tell you, charity does not know culture, does not know tradition, does not know religion, does not know anything. Charity is like blood that runs through your vein. The same color, both white, blue, green, yellow. That is what charity is all about. But your own, you are doing it out of your selfish interest. Charity, charity not define a color, race, ethnicity. Blue Cross, they wouldn't have come to Nigeria to save all of us. And all this Red Cross, how can they happen? Because we are blacks. Because majority of us who believe in tradition, they don't believe in. Majority of them are Christians. You feel it? OMG Shiggy, you are dubious in nature. You say you're a charitable, you don't know what charity defines. Charity does not define sexual orientation. It doesn't define anything. It's all about helping. It's full of helping. Charity ama color, charity ama blue, charity ama green. Helping people, humanity, and who any color is like blood that transfer through your vein. Go to Attire, go to every part of your brain to give life. That is what charity defines. Charity ama onye gay. Charity ama onye straight. Charity ama onye Yoruba. Charity don't know Hausa. Charity does not know Igbo. Charity is what you call helping life. Charity is like hospital. When you go to hospital, nobody asks you your religion. Nobody asks you what you're worshiping. Nobody asks you where you're going. You will get your treatment like every other person. That's what charity defines. But you will going soon. You have divided. You brought discrimination in Igbo land. And you're using charity to cover your impunities. You are an evil soul. You are not, you don't represent humanity. You represent evil because you want an evil agenda. Mathias wa musu. Ejila ndo chambira biazonde Biafra. Then save un from Pashoko Karibushi mbaha lorogo. All ndo chahu people are kataga no ha butere Christianity na ha mere gi nko ha save room be 3 million of Biafra that left. You wouldn't have been in existence today. The same ndo cha butere unu milk, butere unu beans, butere unu everything that kept you guys alive today. All the same people they fight together. That they are the same people in Iri Ji save your forefathers are they will brain. Don't worry, we will reverse this case. I'm a tolerant people now because I know that a lot of people are not here reasoning. They just open mouth and talk and follow clouds. No. Before I make work, I use facts and figures to back it up. I use facts. All those white people, but the remaining life for running. Aircraft to not supply when you guys nearly peme na Igbo. All the same white people say forefather a beast in human form. All the same thing. But you deprive a young lady with a cancer in your charity because of Jesus. You allow the young lady to perish. Yeah? All the same white people put the job. You can't hold the good one. You can't hold the life. You can't hold the. Go and check your history. Maybe you don't know. The remaining 3 million Biafras, or get how many foreign in Dole save huh? Who fed them? Who gave their life when Pasho Kotori into Wunu Nine? Onye proteins. Onye life. Who supplied those things? Those immunities for you guys. Who gave it to you guys? Even when they got to come and criticize what you know nothing about. Dala. See why I never Janya Hunu? Because you guys lack wisdom, lack common reasoning. And they are now Kodi. In a charity, don't know that charity in way color. You don't know that charity ain't religion. You don't know that charity ain't any color. Iwonya Hausa will not help you. Iwonya Igbo will not help you. You don't know that charity define unity. Charity define one accord. Amusu.
It doesn't make sense. Why must I plan a deal that will send our own person to prison? Why I am here fighting for the same people?
Nobody planned a deal with you. You was trying to get out of the impunity, the problem is Nobody planned nothing. You are just deceiving deity. Mathias, that's the only way you'll be set free. You are so damnant. Your lies is beyond it's beyond compromise. You are evil. People look at where tell people the fact, the truth, that you're not telling them. That it cannot plan nothing. Even if you plan it, it will turn back to your head. It won't hold the capacity. It won't hold the incapacity to plan anything and execute it properly. You don't have the common sense. That is why it is scattered everywhere. You lack wisdom. You won't have anything to write home about. Absolutely nothing.
I was detained for the good of your children.
You was detained because you are causing more problem to Igbo community. You was detained because you evil. You was detained because you bring a calamity, division in our midst. We want you to stop. Oh, Kendana brainwashing, huh? Kenda actually got school ga we common ima mana shigi make critical thinking. Kenda na eri lokala. If you want to be a hero, you have to die like Jesus Christ. Then you resurrect 3 times. And you know that you are suffering for us. For now, you have nothing. Nani police say me game. Abam mani nega abowa. Nani common arise say me game. Abam mani nega tuwa. Osha was detained for what? You was detained because of your evil, your stupidity. Kenda na slenshia. Kenda na brainwashia. May God have mercy on you. You really. You wait salat. You are sounding so incoherent. You don't have no common sense. You lack common sense. Complete one. You have lost it.
Those who detain me, you detain me because I'm fighting for the good of your unborn children.
Imagine. You're fighting for good of unborn children. You refuse to help people that need help in your custody. You're looking for only Omenala na help. But you want to Zion to come and use a gun. Jesus, God help all you Omenala boy. Hey, wait oh. You want a Zion because you preach a Zion will come and give money. The same ego Jesus God help all you Omenala, but you refuse to help a Christian Berankegi. Get denounce so let's assume this boy had denounced Omenala before you help boy. You see, your brain is very small. You don't reason. You lack wisdom. You lack everything that presents wisdom. So a lady not in critical condition. Biara, a woman in a condition before getting I want to reverse your little brain. Nando Omenala brain that this start out brainwash channel. Get what the lady without denouncing Jesus again. Let's assume Zion return back to the same measure. You trespassed to this lady. She get wouldn't denounce this boy denounce Omenala. No way to Jesus no get help ya. You see why I said you reason with only one half part of your brain. You make sense. And you lost count through your messed up life. You keep losing count. You keep fooling yourself. Because you don't even have direction. That is your biggest problem. You lost proper reasoning. You can't even execute a good job.
This world. Your future children to come, where are they going to stay?
Imagine.
Are they still going to be rich?
Imagine.
One of your children must squash the whole money tomorrow, and others will start suffering.
Imagine.
fucking government.
Imagine.
Oga, when you are living this, once your child is 18, you have already established.
What have Christianity got to do with government? You refuse where to channel your frustration. Yeah, with Christianity. What has people's faith got to do with government allocations? Government not doing their job. You are more confused than yourself. You are more confused than yourself. Because you lack everything and a reasonable thinking, critical reasoning. You refuse where you maybe but in all this or putana bande Quran na bande Muslim war. Never try no. Try ya ke we Ishi tinye overnight. You will not do it. Christianity won your lap a doormat that anybody can step in yani choko ya gafere. Yes. The only person that define Christianity is Zion. Iwu Moses, nani Zion. Take it by violence. War to war. Peace to peace. That is the kind of Christianity I represent. War to war. War to war. Problem to problem. Peace to peace. Anyone nature and you present to your face. That is the only language of Christianity I know. Rather than that, other people name because anybody can come and step on my head. Because I don't know how weak all of you guys are. Couples with this and yaban the Muslim war one day. On how we problem when in Nigeria according to Omenala wunsobu. Ndedibia olololo. Quran, sorry, Muslim facing the same problem. But you can't go that direction. That you are mad, or we that you can't stand in the front of moto. That on a boom mad. Because you know what you're doing. You are only brainwashing the little ones around you. And they believe that Christianity who have billion overnight. Those that believe that Christianity become their problem. And they believe that Christianity is a from their useless lifestyle. They believe that oh now I will face Then I'll face Christianity. Christianity our problem again. You forget that all is following you. Forget that all that you need to look for a place to go and cleanse your course. In a Godfather, Omenala fathers or for the Christian the impunities, the arrow, ha committee. Makeshe ebu okrobia life a GMS sacrifice. Unechefu arunu committee. Na ihe na metere na eso umu ya. Go and look for your problem. Christianity is never your problem. Ihe na metere. Una cause, una atrocity, una problem to date. Believe it, leave it there. Look for it and save your life. Christianity because Aaron no gonna hold you too much. Look solution and save yourself. Ndala. Unaba Christianity deceive. How can someone deceive a full grown ass man like you? Because you can't even have your own reasoning. And they deceive again. Indeed.
Tell good life. For him and his children.
The quitty. You can
never die. But it's boys in mind.
See a monster.
To speak.
A quinsu. They should have truth.
You are a grown-up child in Africa.
Now imagine.
And you depend on prayer to survive. In Jesus' name, to get money. In Jesus' name, not to die in motor accident.
Imagine. Only making a sense to you now. Is this man making sense of frustration? Eh?
Is it not time you should wake up?
Hey,
I'm fighting for my own interest, no problem. But I'm a big man.
You are really you made money through people. Egonde Madukiji what big man. Return their business money they raise for you. You are not a big man. All I in a go rubbish. All in a village for free. ki ine go shiri anya ulo. You a big man. Then use all your big man money to save this guy. Stop begging for Jesus' money. Because you're not going to see that money again. You are fighting for your own personal interest. Nothing but the truth. Even a player and this boy shows that you are fighting for your own interest. You are fighting for your own personal few interests. That is all. Nothing more. Only it can get deceived. Only it. You are restless and miserable. And you continue to be restless. Because you are lost.
As of 2011, I own big trucks.
Coco.
I have 5 boys and 1 girl. I don't know what I'm lacking. I'm a landlord in Anambra State.
Ooh.
I'm a landlord in my village.
Ooh.
So which interest am I fighting? I have about how many cars? My wife has you. I have car. I have cars and car. I don't know what I'm fighting. I'm fighting for my own interest. I have over 5 offices where sick people are being treated in Igbo Land. I'm fighting for my own interest. No problem. The day you have breast cancer, you will understand that I'm really fighting for my own interest.
Breast cancer. The same breast cancer you rejected. Mathias, you are fighting for your own interest. When Igbo love themselves, actually, you guys were a lot. Actually, where I have people JT Ghana that NGO, you went and registered it only you and your wife. Everything in is your personal interest, Mathias. Everything you have done. Put all their names. You can refund the money. That you are not gonna add their names. Mathias, everything in name for your own personal interest. And when he name with interest of others. Gina heji the thing we problem. Why is it that I na give me an arrangement? We only with time submit and nigga add that NGO. Because of the way ego jabataga your account. You go abahana so kopoha. A problem again, and the first people they decided not to come on social media. You went and opened this NGO on your name and your wife alone. While in them with the ego, you refuse to add their names. Anyway, it's your interest of your own personal interests. Mathias, you can only deceive the gullible ones. Mathias, you are a born criminal. Period. Let me block these idiots because they've been commenting on lousy here.
I have spent millions of naira and my energies into Igbo love themselves. Just like this Omenala Igbo.
You didn't spend a dime. People were triple money in that thing because Jesus deceived a lot of people. They never know that you had a very dangerous. Actually, that time, I not walking like this. I not walking now on WhatsApp. Family guinea now worship Jesus. And Christians are not telling you go na lurugia. Ana oge na no na wunu na WhatsApp live program. Guys say udala na ekpekpere. Actually ga 1 million minds ga because you want a plan coming. And as soon as you say ewoputara ego eji register NGO, you couple people where aha ga na wan ga na aniti ga dia. Mathias, I nwere agenda. Ego ni nenda ni na chini. How many people ki buruzo butembuka? Eka nde bugere mbuka before you kini mere hard be like this oted. Eh? No, sono ni adi ashinga afo. Nde ni ne burugu so butem that mbuka. Mama, how many people na be patronize on there? Eh? How many of you today come na aju? Gini mere hard be rich otishere de. Akunu ni na that mbuka. Akunu ni nebito mande bitro before you. Onye ki na deceive. Onye ki na deceive. Ana ma joke Mathias. How many people are you deceiving? You can see that Christian money is no longer coming. So cry us a river. Akozayon. Allow Mathias to big man money onwene. Oga save. After all, owoge shi nde joku no Omenala susuwa. He has nothing to do with it. Let him go and cater for his members. Guys, follow this page because you know this 2024. Nda ni na si shaga na sapo ha di Ishi. Follow this page, click like, follow this page, share the program anytime you see us. Because I know that many things are left not to be told, but we will not leave any stone unturned. Can I our people brain? Because onya, I want to know another mission. If you have not followed this page, Gile channel, you follow this page, click follow, click like, follow it so you'll be getting our notification. Share the program. Kinda open people's eyes, because lies like this cannot live long. You will damage upon hate. I'm
fighting for my own interest, no problem.
Oh, here fighting.
To use your money and purchase private jet.
Imagine.
Imagine. I'm a real estate developer. I'm fighting for my own interest. No problem.
How? Who gave you those money? Where did you generate that money? Through people's Christianity, ego, na zande toronindia, begarindi wonyoshin. You born criminal that open out na one doors or scammer, while you are built and brought up to scam, to deceive people with the name of Jesus. In with everything nature. Secure the NGO, secure the account. Nobody were able to manipulate. Get it, ego ni raise. Get potaga gonandi. The more you look, the less you see. You brainwashed many people who donated, gave you money. Land in property. You was busy developing all these things. People did not look into it because he deceived you with your devilish pretense lifestyle.
I have over 4,800 messages here that I have never opened. Many people even text me to purchase a land from me that I have never replied.
Matthias. Those messages. While they put every day, she come and approach it, contact us. Guy who's in the contact, he did not reply. Line every day. Now the land is 600, the land is 200 tomorrow, the land is 300 tomorrow. Guy who's here 4,000 messages. There is okay the land. Guy banket. Kenda na faishia. Kendo ko kaneriono. Che, our people perish because of lack of knowledge. Matthias now put every day national buy land, buy property. We are developing, contact us, we will reply you as soon as possible. We will get back to you. Matthias gave away 4,000. Choka the land property. You have not replied them. Collect your ego sister. Otua usagage. Hey, Chireke. Hey, kendana saishia. Imagine only want 4,000 something messages. So you may go on the 4,000 messages. Allow these people so Ali make only game with it. With the day go akorogi, you couldn't bring out common 2 million. I any day to go. Udo coach ya ude go ajigina ho. Compound give maybe a tag. He may be a ties. Udi mate send the ragi while you are or hune go and huni bugi. Mathias, stop lying to people. Stop deceiving people. Chineka wogokon. Ewa musu.
That I don't want to. It's better I did not do business with you than to defraud you.
Hey, Chineke.
I don't want to hand my privacy to somebody so that when somebody is being defraud, they will come to us.
Mathias. Anyway, like I said, I will continue to open people's eyes when you lie this 2024. And when like now I will get ready to I did not sleep. This is a sacrifice I'm making for our people to be opening their eyes. Very soon now. Yanako 12:21. I will go and take a bath and I'll return back to work. It doesn't matter. You don't understand God in Yenamia. You a blatant lie, you won't know shame. You are a born criminal. This video you now. They're cheaper Kozayon in. Chori I damage what this guy his kind get cho. Ibe damage in. Mention a Kozayon here because maybe a Kozayon aga program about to mention or your tag a Kozayon on this program. A Kozayon will say what I'm about to say now. Tag a Kozayon. A Kozayon the remaining 500,000. Guys, say share. They are reporting my video because share, click love, share, click love. They are reporting it. Share, click. Akwegwa kakoza no mechara no back. And the young man called Ona. Why didn't Akosayon use account number you provided? The money. The same people are made video now. According to this video, get the boy receive the money. Get let me.
Wait. Okay, has he gotten the alert? That's what I want to know.
These people, because if I happen to be you, my brother, stay away. Abraham Gaba share help like these people. Yarumi generamente. Iya karibo ta. Mathias Bruzian Gongwi Putere. Oh, give me about this boy, Ebe. Iya wu onye Omenala ge. Ihuna the boy, huna na akuna he buya ne bono. Buruzia yakata for him. This video na imere to discredit Akosayon. Upon him this guy imere na. Buruzia ndeme mpage ga gwo ha oria pachiji hane. Simple. Akosayon, don't go back. Let me tell you, okwo shishio shinage bupi ya kwonu. Akosayon, next time, next time you get this thing or win anything. You will not come out from it. Oh. Stay away when many people get jega support. And when a lot of widows, and when a lot of poor people, and when a lot of blind people, and when a lot of people need to, don't give it to these people. Let them take care of their problem or let them do their worst. But I ask us to get Yagi, you come and arrest him back. One kamane buya. Woke ha no. Ya feel wola. Ya putabi kwiku another thing on your name. Ga nwuru ya ari ugwiji ya. Kaskia. Case closed. Just soon. Come on, get shinga for it. Come on, get out of here. This is shinga for. Iti. Stay clear. Thank God for these videos. Because I can't deny it. Because they know you have evidence. So, this boy, this Mathias, Mathias, go and solve that 2 million. Akosayon is no longer gonna give. You know this problem now is now left for you. Take care of it. You're a big man. If you are listing how many cars you wear, save for your member. You will come online. You listed all the cars you wear, all the houses you wear, all the properties, all the tipper. Eshi mberede ke eji amadike. This thing mberede be putere gina. And I chore ma dika in Ishi. Ray one of your property and go and solve this problem because Ogi butere yonya. You want to go? As you have trained these monsters to be dragging gun, Mahahuebe, you equally go and save his life. 2 million, at least at least the cheapest when he kill it up to 3 to 4 million. Sell it and go and save a life. Or with this 4,000 and something people, you go and sell the land. They said to Lord, this boy 2 million. As Akosayon, Kabuoya, he's not gonna help you anymore. Ashi Obuwe Burunwa Gananya. Karaya Makadem Peta Petoraya. He just repeat all Akosayon now. Ibuolaya, you have finished him. Ibuolaya. Okamana Giburo Garana can give me for on public. Ipetolaya. Upon all the effort, upon the money that this guy in Yerunu, upon not finding no mistake, he still called you guys back. Pay the money. You still, what is the meaning of your video? Like I'm can have this video. Know you fully well that Akosayon have paid this money. You still came out and do get your mission at this video. You see him shaking when he good advisors. Because I don't know when people name make advice. This should have been the wrong time, the wrong time in Ipushiri make video. In where people and they may be like this boy. You know, Akosayon, stay away. People retrieve every help, cancel it, save your person, save your reputation. When you dangle with a pig, ega torela inside the pig. Akuyana people you're dangling with, that is why you're rolling in the mud. When you deal with an ungrateful poor people, that is what you get. You have already tangled yourself with a mess. Agwaramge. Agwaramgagwa. You did not listen. I told you. Yaru ni kenemente. Hapo Mathias go brungbongwa. Ojiri hana po nke hana po in English ji manipulate age. He keeps saying it akozan shana ga beletrani, akozan shana ga beletrani because of your busy schedule. You make out a date. All manipulate that word. Akozan shana ga bia po ugbo. Okupore na this recent video. No she no get bidoro ya with 2 million. This guy is a manipulator. He's an evil soul. Akosayon, stay clear. Ashina. Abishibo tula once. Ya murako. Don't tap into this man. Ashonya ngubara jaeze okporokporo iji eze. Onya ngubara. Ihuna this one na zere even. Je huna akporo gi na phone block wo ha. Anwu agbala gi. Zebazo okporokporo iji eze ma. I don't tell you, if you like go, people call you, forget about the boy Mathias. Rubbish. The same Bible and he believe from Shigen. Come iregi, this your tongue go gana putagi. Cut it off. Come on, this thing gana putagi. Block them. Stay your day. People are that in the 1 million equal shabak. Stay clear. Anytime they come out, we day here. Anytime they come out, okay, here, and naga, I will keep opening people's eyes. And naga, I will remind them this useless video. Cherema download that's the Mathias video. Come save we are here. Makechi, Agabikua, Akazayan did not give the 2 million. Then I will replay this video for you. You stupid idiots. You stupid idiot. Brain ya no nima bahamoya. Wait, I will remind you this video. Let me download it. And I will save it where I will come across it very fast. Ma joge that the day I go on a video I check the repercussion. Actually, every sin with the consequences. This is one of them. Deal with it. Let me download it. Guys, save Lorogi Amakechi. Because no gabiabali wano. Now here we day. We keep using our own media to preach the fact, the truth. You want to go? Let me download it. And I will forward it. Download them forward there where I can reach out. I can reach the video very fast. Makechi. Because so no ga putan to stay here. That is why we are here. Ebo na bagetara ebi choge hije make crusade ge. Ebi choge hije make crusade ge ja Akosayon create okere me honya. Fake life. That is what they do. They fake life. Onye ha na eme. Enwekwa nke eziokwu dị n'ọnụ ndụ ka niile ha wofu. You have manipulated that move. And then Ashpano go okay. And that be it. And case menageni close. Church abasala. Everybody should answer their last name. And yes, if we like the video, I download Wola Miana. Makechi. Maka when you come out and ask for this 2 million, Amado ha kubwogi. Amado ha mabwogi. Because this 2 million is a voice notes. As you have discredit in here this guy me. As you have come out to bring out your hate, your this thing to damage this guy's reputation. Ihuni ire ya ocha flyer. Ihuna kaya hu get with a problem. Ihuna ego ya hu get with a problem or block wala. No more. And that's end it. Solomon Grandin was born on Monday. Yeru Sunday. That is the end. That is the end of Solomon Grandin. I should go and marry. Come and marry me now. Come and marry me. Mathias, it's not for you to take up the challenge. Hold on, let me block you. And one more time for Ndi. Now it's for you to take up the challenge. Now take it up. Do the needful. As Odogwiwo, as a man, as you have blocked the destiny, and so shall it be. Deal with it. In who brain. You want to go? So, Akosayon, job well done. Ebali ala Chineke goziegi. You want to go? As you na asakwa no phone, ashigi kuka ga no Thank God, enyela the money. One guy na soon account. Nga ka na bia nara ga account o kwela unu ugwo nda musu. What is the essence this video Mathias put make am na ajo? Eh? What is the essence of this video now? Nga ka na pega account, try me ga promote account ya. Name ja account ye me. Yeah, nti ya na otu onye enwere obi ọma nye gi ya. Lekwa ngo collect the money.
So what again? The alert. No, we can't show that confirm. We want to take the alert.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, has he gotten the alert? That's what I want to know. What's the no one take go? Answer me well. Let me know.
Only I should practice what you preach. Where are you coming from? If you can comment, go straight to the point. Don't comment directly. Kamana kamshi sogi. You what I go? So, akuna hone ya. Koza yana fi feel that promise ya. So, my brother she kame ewu giga afuge ebu buri yodu. Now, ibu buri le ewu godu. He natala 1 million. Now, that end the case. Ewu hige abalagala ibu buri kola na odu, right? Anya prala di ke anya pola. You what I go? No, I try go. At least I don't attack the idiot. Yeah. Or ne go ne preach what you preach. Show practice what you preach. Which one? You got Mathias ke bagamu. Puta clean. Ka ibate bi shabia. Because you got a weaker person to comment on my platform. You have to have the guts. Kamare bi shabia. You what I go? You have to have the guts. Kamate bi shabia because amu no na kane shigi mini. Kamata the direction you're coming. Kamata how to face you. You what I go? So, matter the direction where you're coming. If you have the guts, the ability to challenge, don't talk indirectly. Say it as a full grown ass woman or man you are, because of fake accounts. Can matter where to bury your remaining foolish thing. So that is it. So I will make sure I reach out to some people that will connect to Aku. Aku is no longer giving that 2 million. Mathias, go and Aku potale imene as a crusade. Raise that 2 million na crusade. Ese vola mchere. Come make the final download. I can save Worogi this your useless video. Makechi. You what I go? Maka tomorrow. Ka hapa Ishi ejiba nne ya anwụọ. Thank God. Ashi ihe onye butere ya eso ya. The game is over. Now go and deal with your frustration yourself. Ese volange makechi. So in case you got patana 2 million enye hunge, I will remind you, ijile make crusade, ijile deceive gullible mind of people. Iyen kwa gwa na ki raise the money na your crusade ground. Ki hapo ichefu na mgbara gagwa. Watala ki raise the money on your crusade ground. The video is well saved now. So for Makechi, ki happy chefu. You what I go? You conducted this video on date it again. Ta what 30th. You what I go? So maka the day iga bia. Ishi na inidiri egbo eja gbo mmage or eja gbo mpage. Ma joge ma remind age. Ese vola mya where mbola mchodi Iri Ji ya will get it. So okay dear where? Ki chefuru. Now the very day you made this video, Mathias Ezeaku was on December 2023, 30th of December. He made a video. And I made voice record. Come save you. You made this video to discredit Zion. You made this video to run crusade. You made this video to make sure that you shame the Zion as in the church of Wondojo. Zion is no longer gonna give you that 2 million. Okay, they are aware. The 2 million, make sure you raise the money na crusade the guy you're about to raise. I will replay this voice note to record now. The day you guys will stupidly come out on this blue app to solicit for the remaining 2 million Aku is no longer giving. The ones on your butere ihe nkocha. The ones he gave brought shame. You lied. You came out and disgraced him. Let me repeat it again. Ogaranya, eburu nwa ogaranya kara ya mma o. Ka mmefo emeforo ya in public. Imevoga akụ. Ikwutogo ya n'ala. Ikwugo comment ya n'ala. And that is the end of it. Now go and carry this boy matter. Deal with it, solve it. As today close the date, December 30th, Zion is no longer going to get involved. Zion is a Christian. And we follow what is in the Bible. Bible shikami iregi gana puta gana ge court ya aka court oli ire ya gana puta ya iwi ire ya gana puta ya so bu bielegi. Hold on. Let me block this person. So court olage and that is the end of it. Come save your voice here. Let me replay it. Kemata nam save ya for the day osunu ge susu puta. The very day you made this video, Mathias Ezeaku was on December 2023, 30th of December. He made a video. And I made voice record. Come save ya. You made this video to discredit Zion. You made this video to run crusade. You made this video to make sure that you shamed Zion as in the church of Wondojo. Zion is no longer gonna give you that 2 million. Okay, they are aware. The 2 million, make sure you raise the money. Na crusade the car you're about to raise. I will replay this voice note to record now. The day you guys will stupidly come out on this blue app to solicit for the remaining 2 million Aku is no longer giving. The ones on the ones he gave who brought shame. You lied. You came out and disgraced him. Let me repeat it again. In public. And that is the end of it. Now go and carry this boy matter. Deal with it, solve it. As today close the date, December 30th, Zion is no longer going to get involved. Zion is a Christian. And we follow what is in the Bible. Bible shikami iregi gana puta gana ge koto ya aka koto oli ire ya gana puta ya iwi ire ya gana puta ya so bu bielegi. Hold on. Let me block this person. So koto again, and that is the end of it. Can save your voice. Guys, I got a work to catch up with. See you guys. Remain loved. That 1 million with the last gig with the last ndo to gig with the last. I could also go to go Ben or Bana shed tears. Even in Nana, even Daddy Go. Let your Daddy Go go and save you. Daddy Go. He carried the quick when a motor, when a cat, when he so go and save it. That ends the road. Gaskia. You are a bloody liar. Une mevo liar. Une buto liar. Ngunu buri ebu karayamba. Cow the useless video. Ebe you lack wisdom. We will borrow you wisdom. Guys, I will see you guys later. Okay, you have make it. I don't understand. I do go pretty. So guys, see you guys later. Share the program. Kando to hanoya. Kande genyere aka atu ego ahu no ya. You watala? Ndahu genyere ego atu ego ahu. Share no ya to their group. To the Omenala. Oga corporate party. Iga know very well. You share it. You give it to them. You let them know. On that note, may you guys remain love. I will not bring anybody in. People that are requesting. I'm sorry. I don't have that time. I got to go to work. I'm sorry. I did not sleep. And let them come on 30 minutes. But I'm returning to work. It is well. See you guys. Love you guys. Follow the page. Click like. Follow the page. Click like. Share the video. Any video you want. Man, I ain't post a video name them mother yana hana church. Me wanna the video, get involved, share it, tag your friends. Nga kaiga na ebu share okpu ono. On that note, remain loved. Bye for now. See you guys later. Bye.